Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Let's take a look again today at the euro currency, because currently, guys, it's really difficult to choose some currency pair for discussion, since there is no bright leaders among the major currencies that could, for example, give us some really clear setup for trading. That's why I think that we could take a look at the euro currency, because right now here we maybe will not see any drastic progress, but the price action that we see in recent couple of sessions really interesting, and it could shed some light on our questions that we had in our weekly research. And right now let's take a look at the daily chart of the euro currency. So you probably know, guys, that yesterday the nice data on the housing markets in the United States have been released. So that has made some support to the US dollar, and that also presses on the euro. And our major concern in our weekly research was due to a bit contradictory patterns. So from the one point of view, we see the support, we see the completed butterfly right here. I don't have it in this chart, but you probably guys already know this, because we have discussed this within the couple of months already, this butterfly. Well, and we said that probably some bounce could happen due to the support area, due to this reversal pattern, and the market probably should show some bounce. Also, we have pointed on CFTC data that indicates the extremely significant value of the short positions among the total value of the longs and shorts. Although this level hasn't achieved yet the crucial number that usually stands approximately around 82%. Now it was on the previous week, it was by the most recent CFTC report, it was approximately 78%, but that's also significant. Still, this is not crucial, and recent price action makes me think that probably we could see another leg down before any retracement will happen. Because our conclusion in our weekly research was that we will not be surprised if market will not show right now the retracement, and it will be good if market will have enough power to show just sideways consolidation, because the factors, the positive factors for US dollar are pressing on the euro currency. I mean the pair euro to USD. Well, and they do not let the currency pair to show any upside action, because currently the euro looks really heavy, and it's very difficult to find some reasons to show any bounce to the upside right now. Here also could be some bearish pattern is forming. So take a look. The market turns to forming of this pennant pattern, or you could call it as the small triangle. It doesn't matter absolutely. Well, this consolidation usually has the continuation feature, so that is the continuation pattern. And euro currency right now is not at oversold. Also, I think that's negative moment that although market has created the foundation for possible double repo buy pattern, this pattern hasn't been formed and hasn't been confirmed, and market failed to form this pattern and show retracement. If market wasn't able to create any reversal pattern and wasn't able to confirm the double repo, it's probably mean that market really could continue move lower in the nearest future. And combining this triangle pattern with the trend behavior, so we'll see that trend by the MACD turns to the upside as a bullish trend, but price action stands flat and even forms lower lows inside lower highs inside of this triangle. So that could mean the bearish dynamic pressure. And bearish dynamic pressure suggests the taking out of these lows. And it means that we could get another leg down. So CFTC data stands very close to the extreme points, but still this data is not at the extreme point yet. And in general, it is possible that the short position could increase a bit more, or long position could contract slightly. So that's not a big difference for us right now, because both of them will lead to the downward action. And probably we should be ready for this possible moment. If we will take a look at the situation from that perspective that we have just discussed, and I'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, we'll see. Recall the free drive that we have discussed. The one problem with this free drive is that on the final leg, market has taken some pause, although we have expected first drive, second, the market should continue to move lower. But market, instead of that, turns to some consolidation. But take a look what's really happening, and it has happened here. So attempt to move higher, breakout, turns to retracement that we have discussed, fail. Huge sell here. Next attempt again was vanished. Third attempt was vanished, destroyed, and the market had taken out of these lows. Second attempt and third attempt. That looks really bearish. Well, that's, guys, currently market stands below the weekly pivot point, and this is in fact level of the weekly pivot support one. This market has found some support. So we have drawn this butterfly. That is theoretically still valid, but you probably, guys, could find a bit smaller this butterfly, okay, right here. That's also possible. So in this case, even the target will be closer to the 1618 extension if you take this final butterfly. Okay, anyway, that will be action to the 133, approximately 15th, 17 area. That's what we probably could be ready for in the nearest future. Now, after that, maybe if this three drive pattern will work, we could count on bounce slightly higher than this top between the second and third drives, the usual target of the three drive buy pattern. That's the setup that we will be looking for in the nearest future, because currently, guys, I do not see anything else here that could be really interesting that we could get here. Generally speaking, even do not pay attention to these patterns that we have just discussed. We need to get the significant breakout in one or other direction to speak about the possible continuation. So if market will break to the downside and continue to move lower, then it will mean that any setup on the possible retracement has failed, and our suggestion that market really could show this action will be confirmed, because the factors right now are not very, and overall situation is not very positive for the euro currency. Conversely, if market will form this free drive and start move to the upside, in this case, yes, we could count on the possible taking out of these highs. So that's all that we could say on the euro currency. As the conclusion, we will be watching for this point, and we will take a look what really has happened here. And if market will form here the normal context for taking the long position, we could try to do this. But fundamentally, our moderate term expectation on the euro currency is that it will remain under pressure, and hardly we will find some positive moments for the euro in the nearest future, if of course something drastic really will happen in the United States. Some really negative data will start to release, or something of that sort. Well, also we will see what will happen in the Jackson Hole meeting on the current week, and on Thursday we will get the FMC minutes of the previous FMC meeting. So that also could shed some light on the Fed policy, on this position, on the current situation in the United States economy.